let's talk about our Tuesday morning data talks. What we would like is for you to use the McClarin data protocols. Analyzing assessment data. If you've selected assessment data, here's what you should be thinking about. Here's what the expectations are before the meeting. A, B, and C. Prepare a copy of the student assessment. Make sure everybody has a copy so that they can follow along with what you're saying. During the meeting, you want to make sure that you give a brief description of the assessment and the purpose. Share specific item analysis. And third, share the standard analysis. Since each question on your assessment should have an applied standard, we should be talking about the standards analysis and the high percentage of correct or incorrect answers. After the meeting, we want to talk about the suggestions and next steps. Next steps is extremely relevant for our learners. If you selected to bring student work, and this is teacher choice, you do get to decide if you want to do an assessment or bring student work. So if you're analyzing the student work, we have the expectations before the meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting. And again, if you're bringing student work, prepare the rubric or the scoring guide. Score several samples and separate the student samples by the levels of proficiency. And then that way during the meeting you can give a brief description of the assignment. Using the rubric, you can confirm whether the individual student work exceeded, met. And then last, the collaborative team provides feedback about the student work. And then after the meeting, using the feedback, you can share with the students how well they did and what your expectations are going forward. Okay? And then obviously, based on the feedback given to the instructor during the meeting, the instructor can adjust the scoring guide or the rubric if necessary. So all data meetings should use the McClarin data protocols for assessment data or student work.